Magandang hapon po ng August 7, 2025 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 7, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, August 7, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 7, 2025, Thursday. Here are the tonnage jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, August 7, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for August 7, 2025, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.